Welcome to Online Education Malda. First question. The Queen of Herbs is the most sacred herb of India. This medicinal plant has importance in Hindu mythology and has the scientific name Ocimum sanctum. What is the commonly called? The answer is option A, Tulsi. Next question. The water that is safe to drink is called. The answer is option A, potable water. Next question. The Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984 was due to the leakage of which of the following gases? The answer is option A, methyl isoene. The next question. Which one of the following statements is not true for hydropower generated from river dams? The answer is option C. Dams encourage sustainable growth. Next question. Which of the following is or are greenhouse gas or gases? The answer is all of the above. Next question. Which one of the following is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow? The answer is sulfur dioxide. Which of the following smart cities has become the India's first city to run on 100% renewable energy during daytime? The answer is Diu. Which district has become the India's first district to have 100% solar powered health centers? The answer is Surat. Next question. What is the theme of the 2018 International Day of Forests? The answer is Forest and Sustainable Cities. The next question. Which of the following is not true for India to combat the adverse impact of climate change? The answer is all the above are truer. Next question. The Partnership for Action on Green Economy page a UN mechanism to assist countries transition towards greener and more inclusive economics aimed at. The answer is option B. The United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development 2012 Rio de Janeiro. Next question. Why is a plant called Prosopis julforia often mentioned in news? The answer is option B. It tends to reduce the biodiversity in the area in which it grows. Momentum for Change Climate Neutral Now is an initiative launched by. The answer is the UNFCCC Secretariat. Next question. In which one of the following states in Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary located? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. The city of Chatragana, which is famous for protocol on biosafety, is located in. The answer is option A, Colombia. Next question. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Answer is option B, petroleum. Next question. In which year Biodiversity Act was passed in India? Answer is option B, 2002. Next question. The National Forest Policy was launched in, answer is option A, 1988. Next question. How many sustainable developments are there in the UN Agenda 2030? Answer is option D, 17. Next question. APICO movement was led by, answer is option B, Pandurange Hegde. Next question. Fresh water present on earth is, answer is option C, 2.5%. Next question. In which year Project Crocodile was launched in India? Answer is option C, 1972. Next question. Which industry levers are most prone to cryptociliosis disease? Answer is option D, cement. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy source? Answer is nuclear reactors. Renewable source of energy is, answer is option D, sun.